Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can stop search and watch history on YouTube. So the first step you simply need to do is to open YouTube application and click on your channel icon in the right bottom. Here you can see my watch history and here you can see my search history. Okay, so you simply need to scroll down, but there is no option here. So you simply need to click on the gear icon on the top right, and here you can see manage all history. Click on that option, and here you can see different options. Here you can see saving your YouTube history. Click on that. Here you can see that currently it includes YouTube videos you watch, include your searches on YouTube. So you simply need to click on turn off and click on pause. It will take few seconds and now it is pause. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.